Secrets to Marketing Success with TikTok. This is a series of 7 articles, and the first in this series is number 1, Understanding the TikTok Landscape. TikTok is a social media platform that has transformed how people create and view videos since its launch in 2016. It features short videos and uses algorithms to show users content they'll likely enjoy. In 2023, TikTok had over 1 billion users, many aged 16 to 24. TikTok has become popular, especially among young people who set trends, influencing culture and business. TikTok stands out from other platforms like Facebook and Instagram by promoting authenticity and spontaneity. It encourages users to create raw, relatable content using easy editing tools, filters, and soundtracks, allowing anyone with a smartphone to be a creator. User behavior on TikTok is unique. The For You page, FYP, shows personalized video feeds based on individual interests. Users often watch short videos, 15 seconds to 1 minute, in full, prompting creators to grab attention quickly. Understanding TikTok's user behaviors is essential for business. Traditional advertising often doesn't work here. Brands must be creative and authentic. Successful campaigns engage users emotionally, integrating products naturally into stories or challenges. For example, Chipotle invites users to showcase their cooking skills with their ingredients, making meal prep entertaining rather than a direct advertisement. This approach encourages organic engagement, as users feel connected to the brand and each other. To succeed in TikTok marketing, businesses should focus on community, collaboration, and creativity. Demographic insights. Recognizing your audience will help tailor your message appropriately and understand cultural nuances prevalent among Gen Z versus millennials versus older generations who may also be joining the platform now. Content differentiation. Identify what types of content perform well within specific niches, relevant both broadly, like memes, and uniquely connected to your brand identity, like humor-infused product demos. Engagement over promotion. Focus less on pushing sales directly at every opportunity and instead aim to build relationships via authentic conversations, inviting followers' feedback or participation rather than mere transactions. Adaptability. Stay attuned to emerging trends, not just those driven by influencers, but grassroots movements led by everyday users too. Being proactive about adjustments based upon shifts happening organically will keep you ahead amidst competition, vying for attention spans along these digital avenues. Creative collaborations. Partnering with existing creators immersed deeply within communities can amplify reach exponentially, while ensuring messages resonate authentically among audiences familiarized with said personalities, styles, and approaches. By using these strategies, rooted deeply in understanding how exactly this intricate machine operates, marketers can unlock doors leading toward unprecedented opportunities in this constantly evolving ecosystem known as TikTok. As we explore specific tactics, from brand identity crafting to advanced analytics utilization, in the following articles, we'll unravel more secrets surrounding optimizing success, utilizing this powerful tool aptly suited to today's fast-paced digital landscape. The rise of TikTok brings forth not merely another channel vying for attention online, but represents evolution shaping future landscapes influencing consumer behaviors moving forward. Understanding its core mechanics enables businesses large and small alike to grab the potential, paving pathways toward impactful engagements, nurturing loyal followings capable of transforming mere interest into lasting affection, bridging gaps between brands and consumers alike, turning fleeting moments into meaningful connections, transcending screens, and reaching hearts across continents worldwide.